Ladies, do you want an easy way to regulate your cycle? Let me introduce you to the avocado. All you gotta do is include an avocado into your daily diet till you get 3 consistent cycles. Now, why is avocado so helpful? Avocados, number 1, contain a high amount of magnesium and potassium, which number 2 can help contract the uterus, and number 3, they do a great job of balancing out the hormones so that you can have regular flow into your life. In addition to eating an avocado till you get 3 consistent cycles, there's an acupressure tip that I want to introduce to you. It's on the ear and it's the liver point. So what you're going to do, you're going to follow along with me for the next minute, but in time, I want you to do this acupressure point a couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 regular cycles. So go to the ear and go ahead and massage this point for the next minute. And as we're doing that, I'm going to talk to you as to why this point is so helpful. This point can help relax the mind, and as the mind is calm, it can relax the body. And as the body gets relaxed, you're going to have better resources and better flow to help you to have a regular cycle. In addition to this acupressure point is super relaxing and can help you to sleep. And as you get more rest and more sleep, you have lower cortisol levels and more available hormone, all sorts of hormone, whether it's FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone, to help you regulate that cycle. So do this acupressure point a couple minutes, couple times a day till you get 3 consistent cycles, or go to our YouTube channel. There's 30 acupressure points on a 30-day cycle series for you. You can pick any of them and do that point a couple minutes, couple times a day, along with eating an avocado daily till you get 3 consistent cycles. Of course, work with your physician, and I wish you all the very best and looking and feeling your very best as a woman and feeling empowered. From your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tadavarthi.